Kelpieone here on Stainedglasscuts. In my last video, I showed you how you could fuse glass rings together. In this video, I'll show you how to make a mobile I call the Diamond Ring Mobile, which uses fused rings. In this video, I won't be detailing how I got to having these fused rings. It would have made this video way too long. For that detail, check out these 3 videos. Donut shape, how to make one. How to make glass rings, and how to fuse glass rings together. For my fused rings, I also decided to use clear stringer to join the rings rather than black stringers. No right or wrong, just 2 different possible looks. Here are fused rings with black stringers. And here are fused rings made with clear stringers. So here are all the glass pieces I'll be using. A total of 37 rings. The pieces will be combined using brass rod and plumber's chain. I determined the configuration I wanted by using 2 yardsticks and aligning the fuse circle in descending order. The angle at the bottom is roughly 20 degrees. Once I had the spacing set, I decided to hang orange rings off of the blue rings on the end of each fused piece, and to position them in such a way that they would fall in the middle of the chains that would eventually be connecting the fused pieces together. From here, I determined the size of the links that I needed to make to achieve the uniform spacing I was looking for. And here are the brass rod links I came up with, and the orientation of the 9mm loops I'll put in the end of each link. First, for the center links in the hanging chain. I used 12 4-inch long pieces of rod, solid brass rod, that's 3/32 of an inch in diameter. 10 links with a flat orientation, and 2 with a 90-degree orientation. The reason for the change in orientation of 2 of the links is so that the mobile's static or resting place will orient all the glass rings in one place. And for hanging the orange rings, 14 3¼ inch long pieces of brass rod, 7 links with a flat orientation, and 7 with a 90-degree orientation. I have a video on how I make loops. Check it out. It's called How to Make Loops for Mobile Arms. To create the hangers that go onto the glass rings, I'm using Campbell solid brass plumber's chain. First, I'll remove a link from the chain. And then I'll spread it open with the 7mm side of my bail making pliers. And finally, I'll place the link over the glass ring, and using a tool I made from brass rod, I'll put the loop in, and then I'll pull firmly on the tool, working it back and forth until I get the link centered and get the ends touching. And I had to make 19 of these for this mobile. And here's what the length should look like after each step. After it's been removed from the plumber's chain, after it's been spread with the bail making pliers, and finally after it's been placed on the glass ring and pulled into this shape. Okay, let's put it all together. All right, let's get this outside and see what we've got. And there you have it, the diamond ring mobile. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. Cheers.